This neighborhood is Kopli, in North Tallinn. This neighborhood is on Sõle Street. Runs from downtown, from the north to downtown. Sõle Street again. Some very nice properties. So here we're on a street called Manufactory Street, so industry or factory street. A bit of wasteland, some tower blocks, some actual mills in the distance there, and then some very funky new buildings, including whole 4-story car park buildings. Interesting area. This is more from Manufactory Street. Several new developments and other ones which are still under construction. You see old mill buildings there in the background. And the building I was hoping to see is this huge building ahead of us. I wonder what they're going to do with this. This building seems to be a manufacturing quarter, a manufacturing centre. Can't really get close. Almost fell over. This is a busier part of Sõle, as we're getting a bit closer to the city centre. These larger apartment buildings are about 10 stories high, and as you can tell by the bits poking out the top, they have elevator shafts, which is quite unusual for the older buildings. Still on Sõle Street, on the opposite side of the road this time. It's just started raining. Now watch this as I make money by feeding bottles into the machine. Somehow. Maybe not. Let's try this machine. Okay. So there's some English. And we can choose to donate the money or pay it out and get 10 cents. There's 10-cent voucher, which I think you hand in when you want. This part of Sõle is quite interesting. You have a mix of the big apartment buildings and these very pretty old houses all alongside the busy main road. Basically at the end of Sõle Street now, so almost downtown. This is the end of Sõle Street.